Hello and welcome back. So now this is scenario 2 and scenario 3 we'll discuss in this video. So the scenario 2 is calculating the total damage in Texas. So how we are going to calculate this one. So basically, as we have seen on the initial discussion, like we have a summarize function. So we need to use the summarize and then we need to sum up this total damage in order to get that value. So for that, it's a simple thing. We need to use storm events where state is equal to Texas because it is asking the question about only in Texas. And then we need to use pipe summarize total damage is equal to sum of damage property here. Now if I go to this one, KQL Query Explorer, I'll just use this one, storm events, and then we have this summarize sum of damage property. We can also use this one, storm events where state is equal to Texas, and summarize sum of damage property. As simple as that. If I execute this one, then this just give me about one line value, which is sum of this value, and you can see the name of the column is sum underscore damage property. It has just taken up this function as well as the column name which I mentioned inside to that. In order to give an alias name so that we can use in our own terms, so that's the reason after summarize before the function you need to use total damage equal to, then it means whatever the value which comes up here, it is going to assign it to this particular name here. So now if I select and then click on run, now the title is now changing to total damage here. So this is how you can able to get alias name of a particular calculation, and also you can define the value where function equal to Texas.